Wagwan, 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 YouTube. We're here at Click React, man. Thank you guys for tuning in. I got a special guest with me today. It's my cousin. Introduce yourself.
Hey, my name is Davil. Guys, I'm from Jamaica. You don't know anything said already? Back from yard. You see me? So we are gonna react to movie trailer, basically. John Wick. You know, I never really been into John Wick.
Really?
All that, I've watched two.
And he's Jamaican. I don't
I've
know what
watched two.
Jamaican.
I've watched
That's
two,
crazy.
two of his movies. But I've never really been a follower of the movie.
Okay,
So
fair enough. You think you're gonna watch this one?
yeah, man, that one is a must watch.
Okay.
You see me?
This guy completely did my job. I didn't even have to introduce the video. Thank you for that. I should pay you, but I'm not making money. So it goes. Guys, help me with that. Hit subscribe, turn on post notifications, like the video, comment, and let's start making that. You know what I'm saying? As usual, guys, appreciate you for watching, and we're just gonna get right into it, man. Peace. Lionsgate always produces fire shit. I don't know why.
Saying goodbyes?
Saying hello.
You think your wife can hear you?
Yo, you know what we should do? Since you haven't really followed up, before we go watch this one, we should
Watch
just
the other
watch.
ones.
Yeah, because honestly, now that I'm looking at it, I don't know who the hell this is that's sitting beside him. And I'm trying to remember, but all I know is John Wick is one of the only movies that if there's 9 bullets in that mag, he's firing 9 shots and he's reloading. Every other movie, if it's 9 bullets in that mag, he's firing 150 before the scene is done with no reload.
That's true.
No,
And why bother?
maybe I'm wrong.
You're going to die.
Maybe not.
Okay.
Goodbye to you, my trusted friend.
A new day is dawning. New ideas.
I mean, I know that guy, the black guy.
I don't remember the enemies ever being Asian. Do you remember that?
No.
This is like some Yakuza or Triad shit like that's what, so it's about to be some different shit coming for him this time. It doesn't really matter, this nigga cannot die, but I guess it's really cool to put all cultures against the one man.
Rules.
Swords, no guns. So you know these fighting scenes are for sure gonna be fire, because if it's Asian mans with kung fu and all that, whatever the hell they come with, it's going to be different. No guns.
Who is this?
The Marquis de Gramont. Challenge him to single combat. Win or lose, it's a way out.
Oh.
I don't sit it.
I kind of remember what it is now. So after he did something, they excommunicated him or something like that, and basically what that is
Oh, send everybody out there?
yeah,
Yeah.
and because he wants to get out of the, I guess he was a hitman, right?
Yeah.
And I guess after something happened to him, he went rogue or whatever. They excommunicated him, so I guess he's still trying to get out. God damn, it's 4 movies later and this nigga still can't get out. So now they're saying to get out, single combat with that white guy that we saw that looks like a fucking demon, and that's his way out. So okay.
Sounds easy enough.
Please pray for me. I was a black sheep of the family.
She doesn't look psycho.
Man has to look his best when it's time.
That boy Samuel.
Or buried.
That isn't Samuel. Am I tweaking? Who is that?
I don't know that guy. I don't remember him.
He's Morpheus from Matrix.
Oh, that's what you
What's his
mean.
damn name?
I thought you meant like from this movie.
No, I don't fucking know what his name. What's his name? Something another Fishburne. Yeah, something like that.
God.
Goodbye, my friend. It's hard to die.
You can see that he's shooting. All right. Yo, you know what's crazy about that car scene though? Some people literally can't drive with 2 hands on the steering wheel. This man is driving and firing a gun.
I mean, he probably even shot everything. He probably even shot everyone.
everybody that he
you know?
needed to. Yeah. While driving. Can you imagine being that skillful and deadly? Like,
It's crazy.
If you win, the table will honor its word.
but that's the guy. Oh shit.
You'll have your freedom.
Under the old laws, only one can
Is that a
survive.
Nazi symbol on this guy?
Failure to meet at sunrise will result in execution.
And the action The action definitely looks like it's gonna be up in this one. Those fighting scenes don't look like no joke.
Yeah.
Words, Winston?
Just have fun out there.
What kind of weird ass laugh is that? Jeez. And bust 2 shots in him.
But seeing as in
Wait,
this
hold on.
guy gotta kill one.
Did this man just like shield his head with his hand while he's firing?
just
like that's
did.
gonna stop a bullet? This guy's different. What were you
I mean,
saying?
probably not stop a bullet, but like, you know,
Not make it
penetrate it,
skull,
yeah, or something, you know,
yeah.
or slow the penetration.
That
you
nigga
know?
is different. Okay. What were you gonna say something else?
Oh, crazy how this guy gotta kill one guy and he's killing like multiple dudes.
20,000.
Yeah,
it's like
like
those
already.
video games, bro. Like you have to fight everybody, all the little minions, before you get to the final boss.
Yeah, that's crazy, man.
I want you to find your peace. But a good death
Who is she?
only comes after a good
Yeah,
life.
the girls in these type of movies too. The girls in these type of movies and like action movies that can fight, they always make them so sick.
Yeah.
Like Catwoman and shit like that, and Batman, different.
You and I left a good life behind a long time ago, my friend.
You dead now.
This is that one guy. It
Yeah.
seems like that. Many fighting with swords and guns. So like,
Guys, I'm gonna let you go first. What do you think about the trailer?
I mean, seeing as it's Keanu Reeves,
Mhm.
you know?
You know he's Canadian.
No, I did not know that
Yeah, he's
actually.
Canadian. Mhm.
You know, I think the scenes
Mhm.
they do something, you know, like the fighting scenes,
Yeah.
for example, like they were so focused on in the movie, well, in the trailer,
Yeah.
like you can see that there's about to be some badass shit going down,
Yeah,
you know?
for sure. Yeah, I think the same. Like, and every movie comes out like a year after year after year, and it's like they get more modernized. So the way they put in graphics and action, and just the fighting scenes itself that are like animated, they look way better every time. So I'm actually amped as hell for this movie, man. You have anything else you want to add?
No, not really. Well, I gotta catch up on this.
We
I
all
gotta
do.
catch up
We
on
all
this
do. I'm sure some of you guys
because,
do too.
man,
Yeah, it is sick. But guys, as usual, man, thank you for rocking with us. We hope to see you guys in the next one, man. Peace.